Good morning, everyone. It's December 22, 2024. Malapit na ang Pasko. Tough month kasi 3 more days, Pasko na. And then, mga OFW dyan, makaka-relate kayo how we celebrate Christmas. And then, some of us will be working on Christmas Day. And then, that's life. I think that's the next one. That's the park there, the Seal Point Park. You can you can walk here and you can park here where you can bring your dogs, and then there's a biking trail, a paved one, and where you can walk to, jog, and enjoy the nature. So we'll park here. So we walk here a couple of times already. It's a good park. See the airplane? It will land in San Francisco Airport, just there. Philippine Airlines, there's a flight from the Philippines going to San Francisco also, but it will arrive around like I think 7, 8 p.m. Okay, let's go. Hi, bossing.
Are we going down?
So, so we try to go down from there, going to the left, going there, going there. So this Seal Point Park, you can jog there, then you can just sit down and enjoy the nature, the water, enjoy the bay, and you can walk. Then you can bike, and then you can see birds also. There's a birds. You can walk your dog. This is a nice park. Okay, let's start walking down. That's where we're at. And we go down. So we're walking on this spot already. This this spot going there. Kami sa baba. That's the top of the hill. Someone's walking. Okay, let's go. What's the weather today, Lalo? Bikers on the left.
Mm.
Today is 60 degrees Fahrenheit.
Celsius.
Yes, in Celsius. In Celsius is 16 degrees Celsius.
I want to sit there and take a picture there.
Okay, sure. Ah, oh, Ninduta. Hello. So we decided to sit down for a while and enjoy the water and watching planes landing and then birds. Just enjoy each other. Like bossing?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. We miss home, especially this Christmas already. 3 more days, it's Christmas. And then you can see the planes go landing and taking off. Wow. But we take a vacation every 2 years to see our families. There's no place like home. Life here is good. You can support yourselves and you can help your families. Life is tough, but we make through it. We all depends on each other. Merry Christmas to everyone and our families and friends. Christmas at home is more fun than here. We go out, enjoy the fireworks
Where?
in the Philippines.
Oh,
Then we sing,
illegal fireworks.
yeah, and then with UK food, lechon, and all those foods. Oh, we mix those here. Oh my God, it's just you eat dinner and then wait for 12 midnight, and then that's it. You sleep, and some the following day we'll go to work.
You
That's
even go to work?
Yeah, that's how life here. But we're still thankful that we have a good life. We can support our families. We don't complain, and we only base this on our experience. We don't speak for everyone, but this is for our experience only. Plane are passing around. But next year we're planning to go on vacation on a Christmas day and a Christmas month. That's the United Airlines. Okay, bye everyone. Maligayang Pasko and enjoy your Christmas day. Be safe. Thank you for watching our videos and click that subscribe button and always follow us. And thank you for watching and please subscribe on our channel. Bye. Okay, it's time to go back and we're taking the stairs going up. I don't know how many stairs is it, but it's a good walk and a good day. Hi, bossing.
Hey.
Come on. Oh, the view is here very nice. Summertime here is very good. Uh, Like you walking early in the morning, I think, and then late in the afternoon. Look at the view.
That way or up there?
Up there. More steps. Let's go. Did you count the steps?
No.
Me too. Well, more reasons to go back. Look at the dogs. Oh, they're so nice.
While I'm on vacation, we can go to other parks.
Yeah. Next one is, I think, we go to the Japanese garden in Central Park.
Yeah.
Hello.
Hi.
Wow.
Nice
Nice.
dogs.
Yeah.
Enjoying the smells out here.
Uh-huh. That's the dog park out there. And parking lot, a huge parking lot that can accommodate everyone going. I was saying, and parking lot. They have restrooms in the parking lot too. You ready to go? Let's go. We're going back now to the car. This surprises us. There's a lot of birds here in the parking lot. The birds are so friendly. They don't fly, they just walk on the side. There you go. It's time to head back down and we're going to buy some lunch. Bye park for now. See you later. Dito walang tao sa daan. Lahat nasa bahay. And sa atin, mamimiss mo yung tindera sa kalye, yung mga tao naglalakad, nagbibiruan, yung dami ng single motorcycles, tricycles, jeepney, buses. Oh, mamimiss mo yun. Kapitbahay ka nga, pero kilala mo sa mukha lang. Pero that's it. Sa Pilipinas, lahat ng kapitbahay mo kilala mo. Dami nag-shopping ngayon. Business is good. That's the PlayStation. And we're going to Panda Express. Buy some lunch. Panda Express. Now we're going to Panda Express. Have some lunch. Take out lang.
I want 2 items. fried rice and the greens. Yeah, yes, half and half. And double the teriyaki chicken.
I want 2 items one side, half and half, fried rice and chow mein, and then string beans and broccoli beef. That's it. Thank you. We're done for the day. We went to a park and walked a little bit, and then we have our food, Panda Express. Baka naman. So I hope you have a good day, because we have a good day. Bye everyone. Continue to watch our videos. Click like and subscribe and follow us on our channel. Merry Christmas, everyone.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Thank you all for watching this here video. Please like and subscribe and follow. Much love from little Yas to each of you. Content creator.